Hello students.
You all must have done the homework which I gave in the last session. Let us discuss the answers. A. Match the columns. Column A and column B. Cells, match it with tissue. Saliva with mouth. Digestive system with digestion of food. Lungs, respiration, feces, anus. B. Name the following. First one, digestion of food begins here. Answer, mouth. Second, the building blocks of the body. Cells. Third, a spongy bag-like organ present inside the chest cavity. Answer, lungs. Fourth, the pipe which carries air from the nose to the lungs. Answer, windpipe. Fifth, the organ in the digestive system where digestion gets completed. Answer, small intestine. Today we will be doing the excretory system. Children, have you seen smoke coming out of a vehicle? Yes, I know. You all must have seen. Why do you think the vehicle releases smoke? Can you answer me this? Yes, as the vehicle works on fuel, that is petrol or diesel. So it takes in petrol, works on it and releases out smoke as waste, isn't it? Similarly, many processes and functions are continuously taking place inside our body. As a result, waste is also produced. The excretory system is an organ system that removes waste from the body. There are many different kinds of waste that a body produces. As our body is made up of different organ systems, so these different organ systems release different kinds of waste, like solid waste in the form of feces and thrown out by the digestive system, liquid waste in the form of sweat and urine and thrown out by skin and kidneys, gaseous waste in the form of carbon dioxide and water vapor, and it is thrown out from the lungs. The organs which help in the excretion of waste as urine form the excretory system. We have learned about solid waste in the digestive system and gaseous waste in respiratory system. Today we will learn about liquid waste in excretory system. Now, this excretory system starts with kidney. We have two kidneys, one on either side of the abdomen. They are reddish brown in color, bean shaped organs which help in the formation of urine. Now these kidneys look like rajma bean. I'm sure you all must have seen Rajma, isn't it? So, and Rajma is also called as kidney bean. So, these kidney look like Rajma beans and it filters our blood and throws out waste in the form of urine. Now, these kidneys are connected to ureters. Ureters are a pair of tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. There are valves in the ureters that prevent urine from flowing back towards the kidneys, and these ureters are connected to urinary bladder. Now this urinary bladder is a hollow bag-like organ which stores urine till urination. And urethra is an opening in the urinary bladder through which urine is thrown out of the body. We should drink plenty of clean water every day to help the kidneys function properly. So, kidneys filter our blood and convert waste into urine, that is liquid waste. Now, this liquid waste passes through ureters and reaches the urinary bladder. Now, it is stored in this urinary bladder and is thrown out through the urethra when we urinate. This is our excretory system. Children, let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. First, our body is made up of many parts that work together so that the body can function well. Second point, the cell is the smallest unit of our body. Many similar cells together form a tissue. Many tissues which perform a similar function make an organ. Many organs together make an organ system in our body that work together with each other to perform various processes to keep us healthy. This special process by which food gets broken down into simpler substances is called digestion. A group of organs helping in the process of digestion form the digestive system. Digestion begins in the mouth. It gets completed inside the small intestines, where important nutrients are absorbed from food and undigested food is thrown out of the body through the anus. Our body takes in oxygen to carry out its various functions and gives out carbon dioxide as gaseous waste from our body. The blood circulates in our body in thin tubes and carries oxygen, carbon dioxide, digested food and other materials to all organs of our body. The kidneys filter our blood and throws out waste in the form of urine. Let's discuss short answer questions. Question 1. What is a cell? Answer. Cell is the smallest building unit of our body. Question 2. Name any 3 organ systems of the human body. Answer. Digestive system, respiratory system and circulatory system. Question 3. Name the organ system which helps in the exchange of gases. Answer. Respiratory system. Air sacs help in the exchange of gases. Question 4. Name the organ which carries urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Answer. Ureters carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Question 5. Name 2 important gases, one that is absorbed by our body and the one which is released from our body during respiration. Answer. Oxygen is absorbed during respiration and carbon dioxide is released during respiration. Long answer questions. Question 1. With the help of a well labeled diagram of the digestive system, explain how food gets digested in the body. Answer. Eaten food is bitten and chewed by the teeth in the mouth. A liquid substance called saliva is released inside the mouth that helps to make the food wet, soft and easily chewable. The chewed food then passes down a thin, long tube called the food pipe to reach a sac-like organ called stomach. The walls of the stomach release some digestive juices which further help to break down food into simpler substances. Once the food from the stomach passes into the small intestine, all the useful nutrients from the digested food are absorbed by the blood and sent to different parts of the body. The liver is an important organ because it produces digestive juices. The large intestine holds the food that cannot be digested. The walls of the large intestine help in absorbing water from the undigested food and form waste called feces. It is released from the body through the anus. Question 2. Describe the function of the organs of the respiratory system with the help of a well-labeled diagram. Answer. Air enters the body through the nose. It then passes through the windpipe and reaches the lungs located in the chest cavity. Lungs are thin-walled muscular organs that contain millions of tiny air sacs. Air enters the lungs and then reaches the air sacs. Exchange of gases takes place inside these air sacs. Oxygen present in the air is absorbed by the body and carbon dioxide is then removed from the body through the nose. Question 3. Explain the function of the heart in our body. Heart is a muscular organ, also known as the pumping station of our body. It contracts and relaxes to pump blood to all parts of the body. Question 4. Explain the function of the organs of the excretory system. The functions of the organs of the excretory system are: A. Kidneys. They help in the formation of urine. Kidneys filter our blood and convert waste into urine. B. Ureters are a pair of tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. There are valves in the ureters that prevent urine from flowing back towards the kidneys. C. Urinary bladder is a hollow bag-like organ which stores urine till urination. D. Urethra is an opening in the urinary bladder through which urine is thrown out of the body. With this, we come to the end of this chapter. Keep learning. Bye.